Now this is the master control panel present on the door side armrest of the Hyundai Exter. Now let me explain what are the various controls available. Now this button is for locking the lowering and raising of the rear door windows. Now if you enable this, the rear passengers will not be able to open and close the windows. Very useful when you have kids seated at the rear and who will keep fiddling with the doors, controls, etc. So when you have this button pressed, the rear doors windows will not be able to be lowered or raised by the passenger sitting at the rear seat. Now this are for the individual windows. This is for the driver side window. That is, if you press this, the driver side window would lower and raise. Now in case you are wondering what this symbol is for, it has auto lowering function. That is, one press of this button would lower the window completely. Check this out. However, there's no auto close. That is, if you press this, it will only close so much. There's no auto up. There's only auto down. And for these controls are for the remaining doors. This is for the co-driver side window. There's no auto up or down for any of the windows. And these are for the rear doors. For instance, this is the rear right door. And this one is for the rear left door. So that is as far as the window controls are concerned. Now these are for the door locks. That is, this one would unlock all the doors. This one would lock all the doors. If you press this button, your doors are locked. If you press this, it unlocks the doors. And this goes for all the doors. So if you press this button, it would lock the door. If you press this, it would unlock the doors. Now, these are for the mirrors. Now, this is for selecting the mirror. This is now present at the driver side mirror. Now if you enable this, this is for selecting the controls of the co-driver side mirror. That is this one. And this joystick has to be used in conjunction with this knob. So if you enable this to the co-driver side, using this joystick would control the mirror. I've explained how to set the mirror in a different video. So please follow that video to know how the mirrors are to be adjusted. Similarly, if you enable this knob, it would select this mirror for the controls. And this button is for folding the mirrors. Ideally, you need not press this button at all, because when you lock the cars, the mirrors would automatically fold itself and unfold it when you unlock the car. So this is for folding and unfolding the mirrors. It is a super convenient function when you park the car in a tight space. So that is as far as the master control section goes.